So I'm Arran, the Director of Public Accounting Recruitment at Distinct. As you CPAs and EAs, as you go into busy season, it's really important that you look after your health and well-being. So we're going to be doing a series of blogs on how to keep yourself healthy, but also some recipes for you to follow. And this is the first one of them, healthy chocolate. Okay, so you can use pretty much any type of nuts here, but I've got walnuts, yeah, I think they are walnuts, because that was what was left in the cupboard at home. So, and then put them in a food bag and just whack them with a rolling pin. This is the fun bit. So we need about between 50 and 75 grams of coconut oil melted. There we go. So I think it's actually 3 tablespoons of almond butter. Now it's the easy bit, just mixing it all together. And then it's just mix. And then we're just going to add a bit of honey in, and then a splash of cocoa powder, and then salt to taste. Yeah, and you stick it in the fridge for 3 hours or the freezer for half an hour. The best busy season chocolate you will ever have.